Hello everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial. In this video, we will see how to convert an HTML website to WordPress. So, let's get into it. On your WordPress dashboard, navigate to the Plugins option and click on Add New. Search for the Elementor plugin. Once you find it, click on the Install Now button. After the installation process is complete, click on the Activate button to activate it. Go to the Elementor section and click on Create a Page. Once you're on the editing page, search for shortcode and click on it to insert it into the page. Go to the HTML website and press the F12 button on your keyboard to open its coding section. Right-click on the body and select Edit as HTML from the drop-down menu. Select all the code and copy it. Go back to the editing page and paste the copied code into the left-hand short code box. Now, you will see the HTML website information appear here. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.